Alright, we took this apart, got the super glue out, and I glued these pieces here. They were broken, both of them broken. There's a LED that sits over here. So I'm just going to put it back together, but these are the meters. This is pretty cool when you think about it. Whoa, what is that? That's some weird stuff. Anyway, if this, I would have really liked if this case was a little bit less plasticky, but anyway, I think that should be good. I'm not going to take the tape off. I'm just going to leave it in there. I don't think it'll be a problem. So this part here has got magnets in it. You can see where they're glued. We'll have to put this back in. And this needs to be manipulated back into there, but basically got a light scribe drive. That was cool. I don't have anything that does the light scribe stuff anymore. I do have some light scribe discs. That whole light scribe thing is I don't know, they discontinued it or something, so there's some third-party dude that got a hold of it and is charging money for it, which is annoying because it was free before. So they stopped supporting it, and he figured out a way to make it work. You can almost see the crack right there and there, but it ain't bad. Almost back to normal. Fan speed, temperature, and then VU, I guess it's dB, so it's, I forget what that stands for, volume units. It's got some little sensors in here that measure this stuff. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to do something with this one. I don't know if I'm going to use that board or not. Might even just put this one in it. I don't like this case. But anyway, it does have a better system for holding the hard drives because you don't need adapters. Like this one, if you put a hard drive in here, you need the caddies, and we don't have them. They're all gone. You could mount one up in here by putting the screws there. With this part here, you can't do anything with it unless you 3D print some kind of caddy. Anyway, I don't know who made this case. I'm not sure what it is, but it's got a really weird Intel board in it, and somebody kind of slapped in there.